In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import in N8n in just 5 minutes. If you're new to N8n or just looking to streamline your workflow processes, this guide will help you understand how to import workflows efficiently. Let's get started, shall we? First things first, you'll need to open your web browser and navigate to the official N8n website. This is your go-to place for all things N8n, so if you're not familiar with it yet, now's a good time to get acquainted. Make sure that your browser is up to date to avoid any hiccups during this process. Once you're on the site, you'll want to proceed to the Workflow Editor, which is where all the magic happens. Now that you're in the Workflow Editor, you need to have an idea of which workflow you wish to import. It could be a new workflow from another source, or one that you've worked on previously and saved elsewhere. Once there, locate the top navigation bar. You're looking for the 3 tiny dots commonly referred to as More Options. They might be a bit inconspicuous at first glance, but this is where you'll find the import settings. Upon clicking on these 3 dots, you will see different options for importing. Here's where you'll need to decide based on what you have. You might have a URL pointing directly to a workflow's JSON file, perhaps hosted on a platform like GitHub. If that's the case, you'll simply need to paste that URL in the designated area. If, on the other hand, you have a local JSON file sitting on your computer, maybe one you downloaded earlier, you will want to choose the option to upload from your local machine. Once you've selected the file you wish to import or entered the URL, this is where N8n takes over. The software will begin the import process. Depending on your internet speed and the size of the workflow, this could take just a few moments. During this time, N8n will handle all the necessary configurations to ensure that the workflow is seamlessly incorporated into your editor. It's usually a smooth process, but don't hesitate to check back and make sure everything is lining up as expected. Finally, after the import is done, you'll see the workflow appearing right there in your editor. It should mirror the source file exactly, ready for you to use, modify, or integrate into your existing workflows. And just like that, you're all set. Remember, the more you practice importing workflows, the quicker and more intuitive the process will become. Thanks for tuning into this quick guide. I hope you found it helpful and straightforward. Now go ahead and experiment with your new workflow in N8n.